Tips for a successful email marketing campaign. You should understand the right way to market your company through email. Try to avoid the spam folder and attract your reader to open the email. Continue watching for some really great email marketing tips. Try following up an email to your customers with a notice that tells them not to procrastinate. Insert a suggestion that tells them to purchase now onto the reply. The ending could tell them not to miss this incredible opportunity by waiting. Instead, they should act now to reap the full benefits. Be persistent with your email marketing messages. It can take as many as 20 emails to one prospect before you routinely have their attention. Try telling a good story through your messages. Hook them with a few messages and let it unfold over a series. Running contests that span several weeks are a good way to do this. When emailing clients, try following up with a free warranty on your products or services. You could insert an order on the email that tells them to get this warranty immediately. The ending PS could tell them to act now and not to miss this incredible opportunity to try out something they may love. Provide your customers with useful tips or information in each marketing newsletter. Think of the newsletter as an opportunity to demonstrate your expertise in your field. Your customers will trust you more when they see how much you know and will be more likely to buy products or services from you. Do not generally waste your time, or resources, sending out important email marketing around major holidays. People are off doing things rather than sitting at their computer watching emails. This is not a hard rule, and some holidays will require communications. For example, if you're having a holiday sale, especially a Black Friday sale, you might want to send an email over the holiday. To get the best results from your email marketing campaign, test your messages thoroughly before you send them. Do not just type up a quick message and blast it out to your subscriber list without checking it carefully first. Preview it in different email programs and on different platforms to make sure it will display properly for everyone. What you have learned here can make your campaign successful, but you need to utilize the tools you have been given. Whether you integrate them into an existing campaign or start a new one, you'll find that your reputation and profits increase greatly. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.